This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing a local server stack like XAMPP or MAMP so PHP and MySQL run on your machine. Once done, download WordPress and extract it into the server's web folder. That places the code where the server can serve it. Make a new database in phpMyAdmin and record its name, user, and password. This connects WordPress to storage. You're doing this now to avoid configuration backtracking later and to ensure the install proceeds smoothly. Next, open the browser to http://localhost/your folder to run the WordPress installer. This writes the wp-config file and sets up tables. When prompted, enter the database name, user, password, and optionally change the table prefix for security. Create your admin user, pick a site title and email, and make a secure password. Use a manager if needed. Make sure to enable pretty permalinks after install so URLs work correctly. This avoids 404s on pages and posts. Finally, log into the dashboard, activate a theme and essential plugins, and import any demo content to shape the site. Once done, configure settings like permalinks, site URL, and media sizes so pages behave as expected. If WordPress shows connection errors or white screens, first verify DB credentials in wp-config PHP and then inspect Apache and PHP error logs for missing extensions or syntax errors. This is the fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.